Hello and welcome back. I am Vandana and we are learning English grammar of class 5. This is Magic Mind series by Galaxy Publication and here is the book Pebbles of Grammar. So let's start chapter number 14, Past Perfect Tense. Let's move on to let's learn. So here you have to look at these sentences. Some sentences are given here. First one is the patient had died before the doctor arrived. Patient की death हो गई डॉक्टर के आने से पहले. So had died and arrived. These two are the verbs. The thieves had run away before the police arrived. पुलिस के आने से पहले चोर भाग गए. The farmer had plowed the field before the sunset. Sunset से पहले farmers ने field को plow कर दिया. So in each sentence two actions have taken place. जितने भी sentence आप देख रहे हैं इन सब sentences में दो काम हो रहे हैं. एक मरने का और एक आने का, एक भागने का और आने का, एक प्लो करने का और एक सन को सेट होने का. So one after the another these are given. So we use the past perfect tense for the action that happened first and past simple tense for the action that happened later. So जो पहला काम है उसके लिए हम past perfect tense यूज करते हैं, जो दूसरा काम है उसके लिए हम simple past tense यूज करते हैं. For the past perfect tense we use had plus the past participle form. अब जो है अगर हम बात करें past perfect tense की तो इसके लिए हम had के साथ जो participle form होता है past participle form उसको यूज करते हैं. स्ट्रक्चर आप देख सकते हैं, subject रहता है, फिर had रहता है, फिर past participle form रहता है, फिर conjunction रहता है, subject रहता है, past form रहता है. So this is the structure of the sentence. So like this we have to complete the given exercise. Let's move on to let's practice. So A exercise is fill in the blanks with the past perfect tense of the verbs given in the bracket. तो bracket में verbs दिए हैं, इनके हमें past perfect form लिखने हैं. So the farmer had reached the field before the sun rose. Second, the driver dashed the car before his master came. So the driver had washed the car before his master came. Third one, we dashed home before the rain started. We had reached home before the rain started. Fourth one, the deer dashed away before the hunter entered the forest. The deer had gone away before the hunter entered the forest. Fifth one, mother dashed dinner before father arrived. So mother had prepared dinner before father arrived. Sixth one, the party dashed before they reached. The party had begun. So like this you have to do the rest of questions yourself. Now let's move on to B exercise, which is put not to change the following sentences to negative. Negative में convert करना इन sentences को not लगा के and one has been done here. तो example हम देख सकते हैं the thief had run away before the police arrived and इसको हमने negative में convert किया तो sentence बन गया the thief had not run away before the police arrived. Similarly, the chef had cooked the lunch before the guests arrived. तो sentence बन जाएगा the chef had not cooked the lunch before the guests arrived. Question number 2. The deer had run away before the cheetah attacked. So the answer will be the deer had not run away before the cheetah attacked. Similarly, the cuckoo had laid eggs before the crow came, had not laid eggs before the crow came. Similarly, fourth में हम क्या करेंगे? The food had finished before they arrived. The food had not finished before they arrived. So do these two yourself. Now let's move on to C exercise, which is change the following sentences into questions. In sentences को question में हमें change करना है. And here you can see there is an example also given here. So the example is it had stopped raining before the evening. तो अब हमने had को यहाँ लगा दिया तो आंसर हो गया had it stopped raining before the evening. So let's move on to the first one. So the first one is the guest had come before the party started. तो had को हम starting में ले आएंगे और हो जाएगा had the guest come before the party started and then question mark. Similarly second, the birds had migrated before the winter approached. तो हम had को फिर से starting में ले आएंगे और हो जाएगा had the birds migrated before the winter approached and then question mark. Similarly इससे भी करेंगे had the train left the station before we reached question mark and had the children gone to swim before their parents reached home question mark. So do these two questions yourself. With this we have completed the chapter. I hope you understood it. I'll be meeting you soon with a new video and a new chapter. Till then stay tuned and thanks for watching.